Hello, I'm Cardmaster123, and I'm back with a really simple trick. Let's get started. Alright, so first what we're going to do is just show that a shuffle deck. Alright, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a secret prediction. I'm going to go through the cards and make a secret prediction. And as what I'm going to have the spectator do, I'm going to have the spectator lay out 3 even piles. So try your best to have them even. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we can turn over the top cards, and then the cards that's the amount we're going to count. So we're going to count down 9 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, place 1 on each, and put the pile back. Now on this one we're going to count 2, 1, 2, place another 1 on each, and put it back. And then finally at 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, place 1 on each, and put the pile back. Alright, so this was a random choice, and if we go to my prediction, I predicted the 7 of clubs. And if we look at the 3 cards that came up, they are 3 7s to make it a 4 of a kind. Like I said, this is a really simple trick. Does require a bit of a setup though. So what you're going to do, you're going to take any 4 of a kind out. In this case I chose the 7s, and then a random 5. And then you'll need 3 random cards. Alright, so the setup looks like this. You're going to take the 5, the 3 random cards, and then 3 7s. That's all going to go on top. And then you take a 4th 7, put it anywhere in the deck. Then beginning the trick, you're just going to say, make a prediction, and say it's secret, and just thumb through and find the 7 that's in the middle. Then what you want to do, have the spectator try and make 3 even piles. You want to have them make the piles before they set them down, because the 5th one is going to be last. So you're going to do the bottom one first, then the middle, and the 5th. So what I'm going to do for tutorial purposes, I'm going to leave these 7s face up. So then I'm going to go through, and if you get a so aces are 1 in this case, and face cards, they say Jack, Queen, King, they're all 10. So then just go through, so 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, put 1 on each. And that's just doing that because you got to do that for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, put 1 on each. And then finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is where the magic happens. Put 1 on each, and there you go. And then you're basically set. Just be like, alright, let's get to the prediction. Prediction says 7 of spades, or whatever 4 of a kind you did, and then flip these over to reveal that is a perfect 4 of a kind. Alright, that's the trick. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment what you think. And since I'll be doing videos every day this month, throw in the comment section what you want to see from me.